Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton and I'm going to show you how to do an extended double crochet. The first thing you have to do is make a slip knot. Now chain 20 plus 3. Now hold on to the 20th chain and now chain your plus 3. Now yarn over, insert your hook in the 20th chain. Now yarn over and pull through a loop. Now yarn over and pull through one loop and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once again yarn over and insert your hook in the next chain and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through one loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once again yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is the way you have to continue to crochet until you reach the end of the chain. I will be covering 2 rows of extended double crochet so that you know how to begin and how to go to your next rows. Now we're coming to the end of our first row. Now we have come to the end of the first row and see how beautiful this pattern looks. Now your turning chain is 3. So chain 3, your first 3 chains count as your first extended double crochet. Now do not insert your hook in the first chain. Leave the first and insert in the second chain. Insert your crochet hook under the V shape. Continue the same process. Yarn over and insert your hook under the V shape and continue to make extended double crochet. I hope you have understood how to do extended double crochet with this simple tutorial. And in case you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider to like, share and subscribe and support me in this channel. And I would love to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. The extended double crochet is higher than a double crochet. Therefore, it can be used instead of a triple crochet. Continue to repeat the same process until you come to the end of the row. When you come to the end of your row, your turning chain is 3. Your first turning chain will be considered as your first extended double crochet. This is all you have to remember to complete your extended double crochet. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you again in the next tutorial.